All right, so here's our dilemma. This is pulled out here and down here. So what we've got to do is we've got to pull out the spleen all the way up and then put it back in and re-roll it. That's what we're going to do right now. This is our tool that we're going to use. But first what we've got to do is pop this out. We're just going to pull it out. There, like that. You got to really basically pull it all the way out. We're just going to let that drop. And then this side, I got to pull out and bring it all the way up. There we go. So you got this side is the one you got to get in there. And then we're going to get this nice and tight. We got to get in there and then keep it nice and tight and roll it down. As we're rolling it down, we're tightening it all the way to the bottom. There we go. Now we're in. Go one more time. And it's done. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now we got to get the bottom. So we're going to switch over here so you can see me doing it. Drop it down a little bit. So what I got to do is got to get this pulled here out so it's tight. I'm going to start it and keep it nice and tight as I go. You could use new spleen, but here we go. I forgot to bring my knife to cut it. Here we are. Make sure these are in there good. All right. A marketed difference. Much better. Nice and tight. Just double check it. Get it all the way in there. I could cut that off, but I don't have, forgot my knife. That should do it. Spleening. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.